there is a brand new Fairy Chic business model happening as of today, right now. I have considered long and hard my position as a retailer, distributor of a paint brand, and how that works out there in the big wide world, where different brands of paint, be it mineral, be it chalk, be it milk paint, has become really saturated, and it's really a competitive market. And I think it's caused, behind the scenes, I've seen and witnessed myself an awful lot of cutthroat business tactics, and sort of just general nastiness between stockists of different brands, and I don't want any of that. I've never wanted any of that. Hi Karen. Hi Ziggy, thanks, I'll start. I have always sort of made it my ethos really to be open to the idea of trying everything and having a go of everything, and yeah, I hate all this sort of nastiness. So having contemplated for a long time how I could make that work and still retail my own brand of paint, which I love and works really well for me in all the ways that I want it to work, both furniture and art alike. What we have come up with is a whole new way of working. There's no more kind of you stockist and me retailer or whatever. We have created a community, a club, and a lot of you have already been in my club and have reaped the benefits of the club, but the club is now expanding and changing to be so much more. So I'm abandoning the notion for you guys out there that might want to stock paint. I'm abandoning the need to put in a set order to start up. There's none. I'm abandoning the need to have to do a reorder every 3 months or every month. There's none. I'm abandoning the need for you to have to buy one pot of paint if that's what you want. There's no rules. There are instead 3 platforms now within my Fairy Chic Club, and Carol predominantly has built us a whole new platform where some of the higher tier, which is to be called Magical Palace, of course, is going to be going on. So let me just tell you a little bit about that, okay? So we've got 3 tiers, and the first tier is £6 a month. And for that, you will get membership into my Facebook membership group, which is already running and very successful. You will have access to obviously all the social interaction that goes on in there, lots of tutorials that are already in there. You will have some live tutorials coming on in there, and you will be able to practice lives if that's what you want. You will also get 10% off all paint products and paints. Then there is the next, that level's called Bluebell Woods. The next level is Fairyland, and Fairyland is £12 a month. And for that level you will get all of what I've just said, plus 25% off all paint and products that you buy. The last tier, and the one I want to talk about today, because this is the one that's going to give you guys opportunities that you haven't had before, is the Magical Palace. And the Magical Palace is £25 a month. For that, when you join, you will get a standard 40% off all paint and products of Fairy Chic across the board, okay? So you can order as often, you don't have to order any. You can order as often and as little as you like. You're never going to be chased up, why aren't you ordering? And you will get 40% off it. So if you are, for example, a furniture painter that doesn't want to stock, doesn't want to sell, but is regularly using lots of paint and wants it at a good price, this is a really good deal for you, because you're not having to outlay hundreds of pounds as you would to be stocking any other brand, and you don't have to sell it. If you want to sell it, this is again a really good deal. You don't have to come up with 250, 450, 2k to even get off the ground as a stockist. You have to come up with nothing but a £25 a month commitment, and you will get 40% off every time you buy. What you also get, so that's a small pie, because that's kind of like baseline what you get for this money. What you also get is a one-time opportunity when you join. I have put together 2 packages, an art package and a paint furniture package, and they retail at a reasonable, I haven't got the figures in front of me, but you get a one-time offer when you join the club. And this is a limited time offer because this price is going to go up. But at the moment, the one-time limited offer is you can buy either of these packages or both of these packages at a massive 65% off. On top of this, in the new platform that we have a directory that is being built, a crafting directory, where each of you within the Magical Palace will have your own page of a directory, and on that page you will be able to showcase and talk about all of the services that your business provides that are unique to you. So you will have a directory page, and I am hoping we are going to be building up lots of directory pages so that it will be a source. My website is already a very active website. I get a lot of traffic on my website. This traffic is going to be going straight to this platform and into that directory, seeing what you guys have to offer. Now, if you're in the Magical Palace, you will get that directory page for free. If you are in the lower levels, you can still have a directory page, but you will have 25% off and 10% off the price of it. What you will also get in the Magical Palace is high-level tutorials, and you will have access to all of the tutorials on that Palace platform for free. You will have the opportunity to do courses. I have already, for example, put together a course on how to produce and edit your own videos, because one of the really exciting things that we are offering on this platform is the opportunity for you guys within this platform to be able to upload your own tutorials for sale to the club members and to Joe Public. The club members will be offered it at their relative discounts, 25, 10, 40, but Joe Public will be asked to pay the amount that we've decided upon. Alongside this, you will be able to put together a kit to make whatever it is your tutorial is on, if you want to, and you are able to upload onto this same platform the kits for sale. So this is a huge opportunity for wherever your business is at, for you not only to learn how to put that video together and edit it to a high quality, but a place to put it where lots of traffic is going to be going, and a place to then sell it and make more income on top of what you're already making. That income will come to you. And if you want to sell, it doesn't matter what your crafting business is. So if you're, I don't know, Powertex, and you want to run a Powertex course, it could be one-off course, it could be 10 parts, and people will pay accordingly, and they will be expected obviously to follow the whole course, and you can be the person that provides all of the products that is optional for people to buy if they would like to follow that course bit by bit. Now, we are hoping over the next few months to be uploading. I have been crazy recording at home behind the scenes, getting things ready to be transported up onto this platform. The platform is up, the platform is live, the link to it is at the top of this feed. You can go straight over as soon as we finish this live and have a look around, press buttons, see what you can do. I'm really excited, because It means that the focus is on you, me, no hierarchy, us all working together as a community, supporting each other, helping each other's business grow, giving each other what we need to make our business grow, and having all the tips and the tricks from all of you, helping give you all an income in one concentrated place that is already quite a busy and active place. Yeah, Carol's just put the link there again. So hopefully, you can't share it to your page, well just share it everywhere. Share us everywhere, guys, because I didn't want to go on and on. I have already talked about it in the stockist group. I've already, and there's options there for them too, because I obviously already have current stockists. There will continue to be, for the time being, a stockist's map. And if you want to be a retailer of Fairy Chic paint, that's absolutely fine. You can not only have your own page, you can go on to the stockist map as you would do now. The only difference being that you don't have to put a massive outlay to join us, just the £25 sign up, and you can cancel that £25 sign up whenever you want. There's no commitment to stay forever, although we hope, obviously, once you're in and you've seen what we can do and you've seen what we're all about, you'll see lots of testimonials on the site of what people who are already in the club are saying about the club. It's an amazing, nurturing place where people have found lifelong friends, and I'm proud to have been part of it. And I say that actually I'm not in charge of it, I'm part of it, and that's how I feel. The people in there are my friends. I'm lucky enough to have now today a third ambassador, so I have 3 ambassadors that are working tirelessly behind the scenes to help support the brand, promote and nurture all of you. Obviously Carol has been a huge part of this techie whirlwind. She's way more techie than me, and that's really lovely for me. I've also got Jess, who all of you have met, who has amazing skills and is very, she does cross over between art and furniture more than me, but I think her heart, if honest, is very into the art world, which is just great. And so today I have introduced to our club my third ambassador, who is Louise Michelli, who is a fantastic furniture painter, and she is all about the furniture, but she is all about creative furniture. And I shall post a picture of some of her work. I have posted fairly regularly to my page her work because it's fantastic. And she is going to be doing some lives on my page demonstrating her skills, and I'm really looking forward to that. The first one will be this Friday, so I hope you tune in to my page this Friday to support and welcome Louise to my wonderful team. I'm very grateful to her for agreeing to join us. So I think I've given you tidbits, I've given you a little bit of juicy excitement to go away and think about joining a fantastic group. Go and have a look at the site. It really is inspiring and magical, and there is a quirky, funny little brochure that Carol's designed for me. It's very cool on the site. If you want to actually download it and look at the figures to see what prices you would get. The only rule that we have within the club, because everyone always asks, can I stock from home, can I stock online, can I go on Etsy, can I go, you can do whatever you like, whatever you like. The only rule that we have is that you cannot advertise anywhere publicly prices for Fairy Chic at less than the RRP. Now if you decide to have a private little house Tupperware party affair and sell off your Fairy Chic a bit cheaper, as long as you haven't advertised it anywhere, that's absolutely up to you. That's how cool we are. That's how not interested in rules we are. We're interested in friendship and community and helping each other and having as much fun as we can. I don't find it for you tonight. So I'm going to catch up on the comments because I didn't want to get caught up in trying to answer your comments at the same time. I just wanted to give you what is happening right now. Literally, it has gone live today. So get off this live, press that link, go over to the site, see what we're all about, And hopefully we'll see you on the other side on the tier that suits you, because it is for everyone. I've talked predominantly about the Magical Palace because that's where a lot of big changes are happening. But if you're just a hobbyist, £6 a month, £6 a month, guys, and you still get access to the tutorials and the courses, and you still get discount on those things, and you get discount on the kits too, and discount on the paint. £6 a month, it's nothing. So have a good look, find the level that suits you, have a real good think about joining us. It's going to be very, very cool. Can somebody pop the link up again? Looks like there's some problems. I literally tapped it in, Marie, to the top of this feed. I copied it in myself, but when I get off the live, I'll make sure it's there for you. I'll PM you a link, okay? So I'm so excited, and when you see it, when you see how much work has gone into this, you will see how long I've had to hold on. And Carol's been telling me for so long, you've got to be patient, and it's just not my thing at all. So I've let it out now. I can breathe and I can sleep. Thank you so much for joining us. Share the word to all your friends. I'd love you to do that for me, and let's build a fantastic community right now. Okay, I'll see you very soon. Bye.